Are you tired of sifting through confusing websites and conflicting advice on healthy eating? Look no further. We have the ultimate guide to a healthy eating with 15 simple and delicious recipes to help you achieve a balanced lifestyle. First up, avocado toast. This trendy and nutritious dish is super easy to make. Simply scoop out the avocado, mash it onto a slice of whole grain bread, and sprinkle with a pinch of salt and red pepper flakes. It's a perfect way to start your day. Next on the menu, a refreshing kale salad. Massage some olive oil into fresh kale leaves, add a squeeze of lemon, and top it off with some cherry tomatoes and crumbled feta cheese. It's a light and satisfying option for lunch or dinner. Looking for a quick and nutritious snack? Try our tropical smoothie. Blend together some frozen mango, pineapple, and a splash of coconut milk. You'll feel like you're on vacation with every sip. Ready for a flavorful dinner? Our veggie stir-fry is packed full of nutrients. Sauté colorful peppers, broccoli, and snap peas in a hot wok with a splash of soy sauce. Serve it over brown rice for a complete meal that will leave you feeling satisfied. If you're looking for a plant-based option, look no further than our quinoa stuffed bell peppers. Fill roasted bell peppers with cooked quinoa, black beans, corn, and diced tomatoes. Bake until golden brown and enjoy a nutritious and delicious meal. Need an omega-3 boost? Our grilled salmon recipe is the answer. Brush the salmon fillets with olive oil, sprinkle with lemon juice, garlic, and dill, and grill them until perfectly tender and flaky. It's an excellent choice for a heart-healthy dinner. Craving pasta? Opt for our zoodles with herb sauce. Spiralize zucchini into noodles and toss them with a vibrant herb sauce made with basil, parsley, garlic, and olive oil. It's a guilt-free way to enjoy your favorite comfort food. Who says healthy eating can't include dessert? Our oatmeal cookies are a nutritious treat that will satisfy your sweet tooth. Combine oats, almond butter, honey, and dark chocolate chips. Bake until golden and chewy and indulge guilt-free. Eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated or boring. With these 15 simple and delicious recipes, you'll be well on your way to a balanced lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipe ideas and tips. Happy eating!